Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in and Contacts is enabled in iCloud. Next, check for an iCloud backup or an exported vCard. You'll need a source to restore from. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug in your device. Restores can stall without power or connectivity. You're taking these steps to guarantee the system can access and write contact data back to your device, so make sure settings and network are stable before proceeding to recovery. You sign into iCloud. Calm and open Contacts to inspect what's missing and what remains. Then go to Account Settings and choose Restore Contacts. iCloud keeps archived sets you can select by date. Once you pick an archive, iCloud merges or replaces contacts depending on the option. This restores the list server-side, so your device will sync it down. If you exported a vCard, download it and import to iCloud or directly into Contacts on your device to force a manual recovery. Once iCloud shows the restored contacts, make sure your device actually displays them. Toggle Contacts off and on in Settings to force a resync, choosing the appropriate Keep/Delete option. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in or restore the whole device from an iCloud backup. This can return contacts embedded in a full backup. If things go wrong, check the Contacts app filters and default account. Hidden groups or a wrong default account often make contacts appear missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.